How to add a website to home screen. Now if you want to add a website to your home screen, it is actually quite very simple to do so, and it's not a matter of on Android or iPhone, it's a matter of what browser you're using. Now most of you will be using Google Chrome, right? So if you're using Google Chrome, you can go to a certain website. Now I don't want to install the app for this website if there is an app available as well. I just want to add the shortcut of this website on my home screen so that I can navigate them easily. All I have to do is just open Chrome and go to that website. Click on the three dots option from the top right hand side. You'll find an option that says add to home screen if you're using a mobile phone. Similarly, you'll also find in other browsers. You just have to look for the setting that says add to home screen. It will ask you to install apps. So we're not installing the app. This is basically just adding a simple shortcut for it. So we'll just wait and see until it has added it, and once we've done that, we will be able to find them on the home screen just like that. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then basically add website to home screen. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.